Here are 10 mistakes that are getting your application to front-end developer jobs rejected this very moment. Let's go. Number 1 is GitHub. 2 to 3 bad repos, no readmes, no demos or demo links. Those are all instant red flags. Number 2, a weak portfolio. So if you're using a template for your portfolio, you've got bad spacing in between all your elements, or you've got dead spaces in between your elements, or if it looks slightly or even completely broken on mobile, these are things that completely stop your portfolio selling you and disqualify you from a lot of hiring managers. And number 3, a bloated resume. If there's 3 pages of fluff instead of just one clean impact-driven page, well, it's not going to sell you at all and probably dissuade any hiring manager from shortlisting you. And number 4, bad projects. If you've got to-dos, calculator apps, or clone apps that you've found from some tutorial on YouTube, that's just not going to cut it for a hiring manager. You need to build dashboards, e-commerce sites, or real UI flows that you're going to be building in a job. Number 5, weak React or Angular fundamentals. If you don't understand state, props, or the virtual DOM in either of these frameworks, they're going to reject you fast. And number 6, bad CSS. Bad spacing, no responsiveness on your site, and everything's just stacked awkwardly. Yeah, that's a red flag. Juniors don't realize just a single CSS mistake can prevent you from getting shortlisted for a job. Your portfolio, your everything need to be flawless on mobile and on desktop. Number 7, weak interview practice. If you freeze or hesitate in an interview to build tabs, forms or navbars or anything like that, or explain how JavaScript arrays work or do the map method, this usually gets you rejected pretty fast as well. And number 9, no online presence. The whole building in public thing has been more important than ever for junior developers because it shows how you think. So if you have almost blank GitHub or an empty LinkedIn, it just reduces the trust in the hiring manager that you can actually do the job. And number 10, and one of the worst offenders, is these blind applications. And LinkedIn is one of the worst places for it because it's so easy to apply to any jobs there. You use the same resume or CV or covering letter for every single application, and people can tell you're just copying and pasting, especially if you've got no portfolio links, no demo links. A lot of hiring managers and recruiters are using AI to essentially analyze all your applications. So if they find you've got any of these lacking, they'll probably reject you right from the offset because each job probably has about 500 applications nowadays. So fix all of these and you instantly stand out. Now, I have a document available to all those who've made it to the end of the video, which will show you how you can essentially fix all these problems in far more detail than I went to in this video. All you need to do is comment down below 10 mistakes and I will send you that document with all of these 10 broken down and how to counter it.